Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to turn your smartphone into a game controller for Google TV. Quick, simple, and beginner friendly. First, on your Google TV, go to Settings, then System, then About. Scroll down to tvOS Build and click it 7 times until you see a message saying Developer Mode is on. Go back, open Developer Options, and turn on USB debugging. Now go to the App section, search for Zank Remote, then install it. Grab your phone, open the Play Store, search Zank Remote, and install it there too. Open Zank Remote on your TV and allow the permissions. Then go to Settings, Accessibility, find Zank Remote, and turn it on. Make sure your phone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi. Open the app on your phone, skip the setup, tap the home button and select your Google TV. Tap the menu icon, switch to remote or game mode, rotate your phone sideways and you're ready to play. That's it, your phone is now a game controller. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store link below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.